Today we discuss the John Deere 4020 tractor. Stick around to learn more. Today we will discuss the John Deere 4020. We will focus on its history, engine, transmission, power output, uses, and overall dimensions. Let's get into it. The John Deere 4020 stands as one of the most iconic and revolutionary tractors in agricultural history. Introduced in 1963 and produced until 1972, the 4020 was part of John Deere's groundbreaking New Generation series of tractors. These tractors marked a significant departure from the older two-cylinder models, incorporating more powerful engines, advanced features, and an emphasis on operator comfort. Farmers around the world embraced the 4020 for its reliability, versatility, and innovative engineering, making it one of John Deere's most popular and enduring models. The 4020 was launched during a time of significant transformation in the agricultural industry. In the 1960s, farms were becoming larger, and mechanization was essential to meeting the growing demand for food. John Deere responded to this trend by designing a new line of tractors that combined power, efficiency, and ease of use. The 4020 was a direct successor to the John Deere 4010, building upon its predecessor's innovations with additional improvements. The introduction of the 4020 was part of John Deere's New Generation marketing campaign, which emphasized the technological advancements and modern design of the series. This campaign resonated strongly with farmers, and the 4020 quickly became a bestseller. Over its production run, more than 184,000 units of the 4020 were sold, cementing its status as a legendary tractor in the agricultural world. At the heart of the John Deere 4020 was its powerful and reliable engine. The tractor was offered with three engine configurations: a gasoline engine, a diesel engine, and a propane LPG engine, catering to the diverse needs of farmers. The diesel engine was the most popular choice due to its fuel efficiency and robust performance. The diesel engine had a displacement of 404 cubic inches and was equipped with direct fuel injection, which enhanced power delivery and efficiency. It produced approximately 96 horsepower at the PTO, making it one of the most powerful tractors in its class at the time. The engine also featured a liquid-cooled design, ensuring optimal performance even during prolonged use in demanding conditions. For farmers who preferred gasoline or propane, the 4020 offered similar engine configurations with slightly lower power outputs. Regardless of the chosen fuel type, the 4020's engine was renowned for its durability, ease of maintenance, and consistent performance, contributing to its widespread popularity. The John Deere 4020 offered two primary transmission options: the synchro-range transmission and the power shift transmission. These transmission systems were designed to provide flexibility and ease of use, accommodating a wide range of farming tasks. The synchro-range transmission featured 8 forward and 2 reverse gears, allowing operators to select the appropriate speed for various field conditions. This transmission was durable and straightforward, making it a popular choice among farmers who valued reliability and simplicity. For those seeking greater convenience, John Deere introduced the power shift transmission, which was a groundbreaking innovation at the time. The power shift transmission provided 8 forward and 4 reverse speeds, and it allowed operators to shift gears without using the clutch. This feature was particularly beneficial for tasks requiring frequent speed changes, such as loader work or baling. Both transmission options were highly regarded for their reliability and ease of operation. They played a significant role in making the 4020 one of the most versatile and operator-friendly tractors of its era. The John Deere 4020 was celebrated for its impressive power output and versatility. The tractor's engine delivered approximately 96 PTO horsepower and 84 drawbar horsepower, providing ample power for a wide range of farming applications. This level of performance allowed the 4020 to handle heavy-duty tasks such as plowing, disking, and cultivating with ease. The tractor's dual-speed PTO, offering 540 and 1000 RPM settings, further enhanced its versatility. This feature allowed the 4020 to operate a variety of implements, from mowers and balers to grain augers and sprayers. The ability to switch between PTO speeds made the 4020 adaptable to the specific needs of different farms and farming practices. In addition to its raw power, the 4020 was known for its smooth operation and excellent torque. The engine's direct fuel injection system and well-designed transmission contributed to efficient power delivery, making the tractor both effective and economical to operate. The John Deere 4020 was designed with practicality and versatility in mind. Its overall length measured approximately 151.5 inches, and its width ranged from 88 inches to 96 inches, depending on the tire configuration. The tractor's wheelbase was 96 inches, providing stability and balance during operation. The 4020's weight varied between 8,100 and 9,000 pounds, depending on optional equipment and attachments. Its ground clearance of approximately 17 inches made it suitable for various terrains and tasks. These dimensions, combined with its robust construction, made the 4020 a reliable and versatile tractor for farms of all sizes. The 4020 offered a variety of tire options to suit different farming needs and terrains. For the front tires, standard sizes included 6.00 by 16, with optional upgrades to larger sizes such as 7.50 by 16 or 10.00 by 16 for enhanced stability and ground contact. The rear tires were available in sizes like 15.5 by 38, 18.4 by 34, or 18.4 by 38, depending on the configuration. These larger rear tires provided excellent traction, allowing the 4020 to perform effectively in heavy fieldwork such as plowing, planting, and harvesting. The availability of various tire options allowed farmers to customize their tractors for specific applications, further enhancing the 4020's versatility. The John Deere 4020 was a true workhorse that excelled in a wide range of farming tasks. Its power, reliability, and adaptability made it suitable for everything from heavy fieldwork to precision farming operations. The 4020's powerful engine and excellent torque made it ideal for pulling plows and tillage equipment, even in challenging soil conditions. With its ability to operate a variety of planting implements, the 4020 was widely used for sowing crops efficiently. The tractor's dual-speed PTO allowed it to power mowers, balers, and rakes, making it a popular choice for hay production. The optional power shift transmission made the 4020 well-suited for tasks requiring frequent speed changes, such as loading and transporting materials. The 4020's robust construction and reliable performance made it a dependable choice for hauling wagons and trailers. In addition to these applications, the 4020 was frequently used in specialty tasks such as irrigation, snow removal, and land leveling. Its versatility and dependability earned it a reputation as a tractor that could handle virtually any job on the farm. John Deere placed a strong emphasis on operator comfort and usability when designing the 4020. The tractor featured a spacious operator platform with logically arranged controls, making it easy to operate for extended periods. The optional cab, introduced later in the production run, provided protection from the elements and further enhanced operator comfort. The 4020's innovative features, such as the power shift transmission and dual-speed PTO, reduced operator fatigue and increased efficiency. These advancements made the tractor more user-friendly than many of its contemporaries, contributing to its widespread popularity. The John Deere 4020 left an indelible mark on the agricultural industry. Its combination of power, reliability, and innovation set new standards for tractor design and performance. Farmers appreciated the 4020's versatility and durability, and it quickly became a staple on farms around the world. Even decades after its production ended, the 4020 remains a sought-after tractor among collectors and enthusiasts. Many 4020s are still in use today, a testament to their exceptional build quality and enduring utility. The John Deere 4020 is a tractor that redefined what farmers could expect from agricultural machinery. Its powerful engine, advanced transmission options, and versatile design made it a favorite among farmers during its production years and beyond. Whether used for heavy fieldwork, precision tasks, or general farm operations, the 4020 consistently delivered outstanding performance. Its impact on the agricultural industry cannot be overstated. The 4020 not only met the needs of its time but also set a benchmark for future tractor designs. Today, it stands as a symbol of innovation and excellence in farming equipment, ensuring its place in the annals of agricultural history. Thank you for watching this video. Please help support us by clicking like and subscribe. Please visit the links in the description. This also helps support this channel and allow us to come out with more content.